Wagwan family. So today I'm gonna share with you how I make this creamy coconut garlic butter shrimp. First I clean and wash the shrimp them. To my skillet I add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I season the shrimp with my all-purpose seasoning. Now I cook the shrimp them for 3 minutes, a minute and a half on each side. Now I take them out. I'm going to add butter. Melt the butter, chop some garlic. Now I'm going to add the garlic. Saute them a little bit. Now I'm going to add some lemon juice, which is half of a lemon. 1 cup of coconut milk. Now I'm going to chop some fresh parsley and add it to it also. Now I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. Give it a stir. Add back the shrimp. Look at that how creamy it is, my people. Let me know in the comment what would you eat this shrimp with. Look how nice it is. Jaja. Go for a taste test. So good. Wagwan family. So today I'm gonna share with you how I make this creamy coconut garlic butter shrimp. First I clean and wash the shrimp them. To my skillet I add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I season the shrimp with my all-purpose seasoning. Now I cook the shrimp them for 3 minutes, a minute and a half on each side. Now I take them out. I'm going to add butter. Melt the butter, chop some garlic. Now I'm going to add the garlic. Saute them a little bit. Now I'm going to add some lemon juice, which is half of a lemon. 1 cup of coconut milk. Now I'm going to chop some fresh parsley and add it to it also. Now I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. Give it a stir. Add back the shrimp. Look at that how creamy it is, my people. Let me know in the comment what would you eat this shrimp with. Look how nice it is. Jaja. Go for a taste test. So good.